Katrin here with European Papercrafts. Today I have another product review for you, and as you can see, it's all spring and summery. So let's get started. So first up are our easy 3D stoppers. There are 10 designs in each bag, and we're going to start off with our unicorns, brand new. So I took them out of the bag, you can see them. So again, 10 items per bag, and each bag has 3 layers. So here are these beautiful unicorns, and they are quite big. So we have about 3¼ by 3½. So these make pretty sized card toppers. So each little bag has 3 steps that you just add foam dots and make your 3D embellishments. So really cute unicorns and super trendy. Okay, so these were the unicorns. Next up, also brand new, are our bicycles. Now the bicycles are also pretty big. Today I picked the big ones, so let's see. These bicycles are, it's 5 by 3½. So again, pretty big toppers. These are these old-fashioned bicycles, and the 3 steps are the flower basket on the front and then also the flowers on the back. In different colors and so feminine. So again, 10 per bag, and they have very light glittering on it. Not much, but just a little bit sparkle to add some interest. So these are our bicycles. And then our third one I picked for today are the flowers in a half circle, and these are also pretty big. So let's see. So from corner to corner they're also 5½, and then again with 3 steps, and we have different flowers. Here we have the sword lilies, roses, all kinds of different patch roses, lilies, sunflowers, roses, poppy, more roses. So these are those big flowers in a half circle, and here are my sample cards. First up, I made a card with this beautiful bicycle. So you can see here are the steps. And I had to make another one because they are so pretty. These borders here, there are Anita's Glitterations borders. You can find them in my shop. And I link all the products in the box below. And here I used these half circle flowers. Aren't they just beautiful? I put them around the doily because that kind of made sense to me, since it is a half a circle, and they're perfect embellishments for a 6x6 card. And my last one I made here with the poppies, again around the doily. So easy 3D toppers, check them out. There are many more brand new ones, and all bags have 10 embellishments. So next I chose Cartabella, the Spring Market line. This is a beautiful spring colored papers and chipboard stickers. Here is the 6x6 paper pad, 24 sheets, double-sided, with 12 designs. So let's take a look. These are just gorgeous. With a black background, you have the roses here, a pink design, and we have the cut aparts with sentiments, flowers, beautiful valleys with flowers on top, wood grain, more pretty flowers. These colors are just so springy, summery. Look, this makes a beautiful card. Flower wreaths, like a notepad design, all kinds of garden tools, flowers, more wood grain papers. Here's a pretty black and white stripe, planter boxes, then we have borders here we can cut apart, and the truck with all the pretty flowers. So again, 6 by 6, 24 pages. It comes also with ephemera, and we have 33 pieces, different ephemera, and let's take them out to see how they look like. Just a few at least. So you have sentiments, you just pop them on a card and you're basically done. And repeating these beautiful colors and flowers. Isn't that just gorgeous? Beautiful. Yeah, these make wonderful spring cards. Even little banners. Fishtail banners. Here's the truck again. Planting a seed is believing in tomorrow. Here's the wreath. Very pretty. I also thought these beautiful pearls, they are a Dovecraft Floral Muse, but the colors just match this perfectly. So we have a very light pink and a very light, well, it's a pearl color, beige, white pearl color. And they come in different sizes. So cute. And then also there are chipboard stickers. These are the chipboard accents. And again, it repeats these beautiful designs. Just gorgeous. And then also chipboard phrases. Look at the big hello here. Love the hellos. Home sweet home. Live life in full bloom. Pick just for you, so you can see. Feed and seed. Cute stickers. And here's the card I made. I made a retirement card for my colleague who is retiring this month. And it says best retirement wishes. These little phrases are stickers, Starform stickers, and you can find them on my website. I'll link them below. And yeah, I used this paper, the valleys, put a little glitter drops on there, added some glitter borders. Those are also stickers. And then this beautiful watering can and a flower. So yeah, this is the beautiful Spring Market line by Carter Bella. Next, I'm introducing these 3D die cut sheets by Craft UK. So they come on those sheets, they are all die cut. And each sheet has 3 different designs of pretty flowers. And this is almost cardstock quality, so when you push them out, they're not really flimsy. They make a pretty good embellishment. So we have different designs, and again, I'll link them below. Look at the pretty pansies here. Bluebells. The tulips. So each has 3 or 4 steps. 4 steps, I believe. And they are numbered, so it should be easy enough to assemble those. You put the 3D foam pads in between. Beautiful poppies. Yeah, very vibrant, very pretty designs. Here is single rose, so elegant. And then I also have these meadow flowers here. And I used those to make my sample cards. So here is my first sample card using this pink design. Not quite sure what flower this is, but it made a beautiful card, and I didn't even add an embellishment. I just keep it in case I need a card. I can add an a phrase later, a sentiment, so I'll just leave this as it is. And then here is the second one. This is a bouquet of wild flowers. I made this into a thank you card. I used the pretty borders. Those are due date stickers. And my last one, I used this embellishment up here on a 6x6 card. And here I used Nuvo drops. So the Nuvo drops, I have new one. This one is called, let's see what it is called, Neptune Turquoise, but it's more like a sea foam. So this is the newest Nuvo drops, and I used them on this card. So you can see they're pretty shiny. So this is Craft UK 3D die cut sheets. So to finish it off, I picked a couple of Anita's foil decoupage sheets. First we have Baby Bliss, and these are all die cut. Each sheet has two different designs. First we have this cute little baby in its crib with a little angel next to it, or maybe the sister. So super cute. And then also this design down here. So as you can see, there are several layers and they're all numbered. I think you can make more than one card with these embellishments, because this could make one base item, and this may be a second one, and then you add all these different layers. So I think you can make two each. Same down here. So these are super cute for those of you that need to make some baby cards. Then I have Springtime Floral. Again, these are all die cut and numbered with some foil. This is beautiful garden scene right here, and down here with a lounge chair. So springy. And then here is something different for those of you who still like to fussy cut. These are sheets by Crafts in Germany, and they come on these high gloss papers, you can tell. They do have to be cut out. They have different layers, and each sheet has 4 embellishments, 2 bigger owls and 2 smaller ones. And here is my sample. I made a tag with one of these owls. One day I just sat in front of the television, I cut those out. They're really not that intricate, so they're quite easy to cut them out. And I added them on a tag, and I think that's a great little addition to a present. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching this video. You can follow me on Pinterest and also on Facebook if you want to see more sample cards that I have designed. You can also follow us, or join us for that matter, on our Facebook craft group. If you join us, then you can upload your own projects and yeah, show off what you're doing. So thank you again, and have a great day. See you next time.